Very serious. But who's the TUC at the statement Akoma buying on electricity vata edaso na wamo calling for immediate withdrawal and suspension of that taxes ahodwa buying ediegu electricity so. And with the greatest of respect,
87.9 Kumasi.
I want to interrogate that discussion briefly. Now, we are dealing with the new patriotic party. One more abattoir Airbaso. Atesa Ghana Black Stars, Apamo Chris Houston on the encore. Because Umuanyama Frumunsu and Tosini. Our taxpayers' money, and you wasting our my Ghana. We have no priority, and that is all. And the blasters for no and Chris, who's near the idea, Pamo, near that
FM 87.9.
Sports team will deal with that, and I'll pay. We will interrogate it. And the Okujamai, let it be. Nah, Chris Hutton, I think so. Oh, his choice has been wrong from day one, and it's been always wrong. Because a coach, I won't call anywhere. You try a car more than about 5 billion and over, more than that. There be na Ghana no obia we nim nyansa bia no oba
Akoma FM
87.9 no media no moko. Then they come back and pay Yibinyamre. Now you dealing with that. My men started with the new patriotic party. Elections are a costly. Now, is he Ghanaian voter who team and pay, especially and now pay? I want to address NPP. We delegate Amokwa. Many of you are our problem. More Ghana for problem. In all sincerity. Delegates, NPP, delegates. Let me address you. Say you are Ghanaians' problem, especially Asante region. NPP delegate. Many of you, we are Asante region problem. Region you developer and develop. Asante region kwa enkosu nyina no. Which NPP delegator? No kasa kacha so on kana nuntum na oye problem. Why am I saying this? Abusafo Asante region ababeye region in a political sphere are delegate and determine the future of this region.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Ebi anu wa adwin nyankoso bia wutie ma no pa bia tieni ye pa. And then Facebook page mo amocha we are sorry. There's a challenge to call YouTuber on Sabekan. And Okojamai can stream through Aduanaba Kofi Asante Ennin page on Facebook page. Possibly we can look at that. Na abusafo 10 year pa. Obi biara wo Asante region. Santasi to anyan kwanta kwan ye nyanyeye. 5 interchanges I can see about ya enyamaye.
87.9 Kumasi.
Several promises upon promises of project enyamaye ni nyina no. We share MPP delegate. Don't blame Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Ask your delegate say, "E dey and amaye dey aboye. They are our problem." And I'll tell you why MPP delegate and a Kahu Asante region entimin koso. Region where a regional, the future and the fortunes of this region. Ejina MPP, and of course, because to whom much is given, much is expected. 1.8, 1.9 million.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
A free bar for Koto time. Asante region has been MPP. MPP has been Asante region. You take MPP, you take Asante region from MPP, they are nothing. It says Psalm 51 verse 12. Empire David boy say, take away that spirit not from me. I would have you free me mu. And yes, I may be hunu bi akeke. Enyi Asante region free MPP mu. And yes, I want be party hunu bi akeke. because one region echa 9 regions ewo omai Ghana mu. First ani emfa regions nko 16 regions. One region echa 9 regions mu. This is the regional to Obama party leader, party NPP, parliamentary aspirant. Now onya party seat ni wie pe automatically. It's about 99.9% chances say or your MP. Straightforward. Or per one campaign, one that stretch so you move for many ni on kananuntum exactly or your MP. One kwaye campaign from Nyamia Dumwa Kwasiada on Batwaba Memeda from Kwasiada to 7th of December. And they are contemplating November near Bakwa say about what than you do one campaign automatically or MP. And who are region be a Tessa and can hear himself one more Bakwa the MPs. At the constituency level, no, they determine the fortunes and the future of this region. But Edua, no man ho, no man kwa jiska, wamu jiska ni wia, na wamu kwa, ebinim kwa yire kwa ma wamu bi, ebinim kwa ma wamu bi, no wamu di, sikano wamu, sikano jiska biya 5,000, because MP biya ni krom ha, obey 20,000 at the amount. For this election, 5,000, 8,000. We are. What the man we are now with we are. Now what Chela will say, Okobo Bosia into Wateneka and San Wababe Shisho. And this is what we have in this country. Yansha accountability. I am speaking to you, delegate Mutema no pay, Mutian ye, Munamubo Cray. NPP delegate, NDC delegate, Coco Twabanway, what Kakra at the man at the constituency level. The chances say obey we no, just about 2% of our Asante region. Just about 2%. And to one NPP ni, who born another than Coco 43 so, who boy MP 3 so, who kwaji sikani di ya wakoboka 15 billion, wakoboka 10 billion. Wakoboka no and na me baba chiro video bi now you will weep and be shocked at our Asante region. Delegate mo ya man boy for mo say kray MPP delegate mo say kray yo kano kray chira mo na no pay say Asante mantem a enko so enyini nko nyina no we are blaming you MPP delegates. What am I saying? What I am saying is say yet kroma emma mobile beto ba ena videos enenam a free ayi ofori krom constituency therefore unhwe Facebook page ko YouTube na hwe motorbikes en ya boa no en egu ho ya to pro ewo wana tamfo anim mukruwa na eba be ye made abuso woji motorbike wewie ena motorbike at least motorbike na egu ano Akoma FM 87.9. Yeah, but Chama delegates, MPP delegates, and Sani Atuaba. But na Pandankwa, no what is so none to quiet tare, pon, no cop. Sabe, ye Jimmy Enti, near Tam, ye the motto no my area, any MPP delegate a more for the club. We want to do a sign and come out and tell us.
Yeah, for you come out this year, see I near to a for a cosso, sanity, MA24. Program no cosso. Ye kind, yeah, if you would say they are grown and ED. If you would say my video Casa, 22 motorbikes, 22 motorbikes, me, man, or and you're padding in our home to ma. Our appeal do on Wagasani fee. When your hotel near you know, your program will hotel, and I see and high baby. I don't know my kid on Wagasani fee, any program. No, it will be invited 22 motorbikes for 22 electoral areas. Obia when you Obia setups in their costume on one fee. When your hotel way appear do Kokobe on one fee, any yellow. It will be invited. Who don't know, over to Abama no, to Abama no, Obia invited. Coordinators Munina adepa ofioye oferi krom yeso edie nie Saturday number 4 May 24 Mike Edu obia antoma no twa wan yim obia de ewom setups na ekoso no ono ani fie we hotel we appeared kokobe ono ani fie ene ye no so obia invited who don't know over to Abama no to Abama no obia invited coordinators mu nyina adepa ofioye oferi krom yeso edie nie Saturday number 4 May 24 Mike Edu obi antoma no piao
abisanfo yeti kroma na bantema ye be che cars ma ye tua 10,000 Kennedy Japan say asensu tua 5,000 ono nso be tua more than that says ka we enko bia nti wo kwada wo bantema na wonya delegate eto abag obi the 5,000 and they determine future our constituency.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Now, me pato what bisa wo says can konya no kosisa no form an asade. Says can koba bosia enti oba otenika wie ansa na ofre na wafa. And this is why Asante region entimi nkoso. Because ya wo delegate kwakwa jisika ni diwia. No oma ba betrase no mo ne nyina esu. Enti at the end of the day MP na ya to aba e de ama no a wono no waboka sa abato aye kosuwe MP bia one moka e wo this primaries aye kwemu not less than 10 billion.
Akoma FM
Go start che bro nya no afa okweja my mama notice of post the various constituencies and a woman eba beko ufo swame wafa ya askwa yete ma me Patricia Pieje kokwada so all the various constituencies na bisa won say wo munye sika wo hen ene ye che ne sa MP ne salary MP or your minister it's just around 18,000 22,000
87.9 Kumasi.
Waji loans into what the people kwa every week obekwa ye. Where are they getting this money? Ubi anyone who can obisa no moral right and no moral justification as to where are they getting their monies. And yes, jamedi wanechi. And yes, jamedi wanechi. We MP wanya bia dinti. Waka wanu watum we a delegate. Wanya bia dinti. Waka wanu watum. And ye nyina ti kroma na Asante region. Ye men nipa kakra bi. And a determine your fortune.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Oba subi Eugene Boachientwi. Kofi Obiri abo a lawyer. Papa kwasi opon from Frank Kwadodiodu. Obiri abo a atoka Toyota eye Hilux CB a branding in new. Ayi Otoma Boaje car CB. And ya branding in brand new. And yadi Aduanaba for Krom Subin constituency. One of these cars is about 8 billion.
87.9.
One of these cars is about 8 billion. Where did we get the money from? Now Jiri say Obi Aoma Medi MP. Watam 8 billion etibia to car I donated to constituency. And the motorbike bako wanya ne fua na bia 18,000 22,000. Ya toma akuma 22 to various constituencies. Sky ye che ni bro nya enough from. Now no ewo eyi Mensia South. Pena mai bro nya bre ye so che say 500 Ghana cedis. Delegate over 900. Ya fa na po ya so wo na pena mai che 500 ya. Na po che 1,500
Kumasi.
Asante Atim Central. Me pacho name NEP National Entrepreneurship and Innovation sa program baby ana Joso John Kuma ewo no abrade ne feru Kofi Fosu en cancer BNI office of the special prosecutor eche ne say manfo enko 5 million over almost 1,000 delegates and ye eche de ma wo mo say take it is your money.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ghana ni a wutem no pay especially wo Asante region. Na no da NPP for ekwaye the various ye beto ba omi anom election ni. Ye say 30,000, 20,000. Sa allegations in koso for chairman. Constituency chairman 30,000 ebi wa etoka ma Canada Japan call because here ma 1.5 billion. Ko srem a chairman ne kokon ye no. All these allegations are there. Enti ye die ena kwabrane we dedicate say obi akwara bi wie school.
FM 87.9.
We secondary school no ko e bisan say we be ko akọ school and was there be die adwuma na apeso osua was mpese sua sem be delegate. Now delegate has become a profession. People seek to go and look for being a delegate our constituency all because about to do yebenya babidi. Now we kwaje 10 billion, we kwaje 5 billion, 1,000, 10,000 eje wo sika ni ade wie no. Do you think say MP no ofra no be fa biem? Ghana ni awutie ma no pa tie me Asante region obian kana no ntum
FM 87.9
obian kana no ntum MPP for more kasa then especially delegate when you abre amusu obian kana no ntum mo na mama ye mo na mabia betia na bonsuom we share MPP delegate bisanse sikana wo kwaje ye no wo dia why is your money magia dia wie mo pay development police station we concerns we here ofori krom Claudia Kwatin Lumo Nelson Ousu Ansa Joseph V Pangbi Tiayiri
Akoma FM 87.9
Michael Akwasiedu Jemfi Nkroma Adwabo Michael Akwasiedu na Eche Motorbikes ni papa any the CEO of Cocoboard tieni ye pa o na me baba kire wade bi wo Ghana ha na mama wate ase se esikafo kroma be koso aye esikafo ehiafo be koso ahiaye ebe hiaye basa me kura me nyimi mfiri na me hia ni ebe koso ahia ehiafo kroma why because ehiafo no ye da so asoma esikafo no adentrahe hwe kroma na do dan kwa akofo do na ne papa eye ceremonial president ne ofa eba be ye president ne na enti uhwew ne la ni mu a na sefo nyina be kwaso a edidi ye John Dramani Mahama hwehwe ne papa one of the most successful politician at this time our northern region odiso John Dramani Mahama ne ma in his 10th generation and 20th generation ne ma be kwaso a relevant e wo my Ghana mu take JJ Rollins Akoma Zaneto ene ne mani nyina Cocoboard CEO ne papa hu say politics identity me fa maja pade ne resources nyina at least I am not saying say papa no at least I want to believe say abrante wono so ye oyedma wo one of the companies producer get it for me fast Boast yes oyedma Boast baby oil contaminated here no what you say now no wo ba delegate wo ba wie university kura wo pay adwuma national service kura no ye nya bi ama no
FM 87.9
Escafo na ehihia wo mo mani yie omo hihia wo mo mani yie pa fei woji oba no wo do 5,000 amount no wadi awie delegate nyame ya adoma me da mokoto aba monwe Asante region ho na munya mafu anko a mo hwe no na sabe adidida eye echa didi preko ye can say ana na ya politicians corrupt mo so mo ya corrupt ye nyina we are corrupt delegate you are corrupt ye na wo call ya wo mai ye wo MPP wa wo call ye e bia 4 years nya no oba no kasa kire mo kra buo ne ani die nim oba ya we yi 2000 ne e de ma mo a ma start mu wura fi nyanwa ma se dwoma ma se Ghana for yare wura wura fi se nipa ma ko akoforu krom 1 2 3 4 5 ana meboa is it 4 or 5 minim se edu oska obetuma tua bia be 3000 5000 omo maka obi antua 1000 tenio me ye calculation ama wa no pay Claudia betua 1000 Nelson also ansantia 2000 Joseph Thierry ono so abrante we all this work ono wo ye development dada ewo oforukrom Joseph boa wate NGO a wo boa nkofo enkwala wona woni bia ni ade watokas all this one all the consequences Joseph has been already helping. Claudia Dikatia 10,000 electoral area bia wo forukrom there how many 22 electoral area. When Dikatia says kala wie Joseph nso ne namna fama oye ne de edu to motorbikes Jamfin Kruma adwabo ono nso atua ne de enti delegate awota constituency ha no at least nyame aduma me de ntwam ne nto abanwie de na won so not less than 20,000 no waje edi uwi a acha 3 days sika wo je ni nyina na asa na waka wana ono atum ekwan e wo waka do aye mfanka ho road markings nye Kofi Asante Ennin Akoma FM ene ani biri ya yedi gu wo so a enka oforukrom kra ya ma meye hwa akronfo a ewia eforukromfo every day oforukrom na sa ayi pharmacy shops any babia enu aduane video bi ba ya that stretch around oforukrom akron somewhere wo nobody is thinking about it and who delegate who kwa no akwa jiska no aka wano atum because ayi nano mafo ebae lecturer mo bridge kra yanka nwia enguso nano enyo for conference wana man for demonstration say one of the communities wo mo kwan ya practice here mun ko bi sa delegate ne say sa kwan no empanifo abaye ama wo mo ana wo mo ma meye because mwagim sika die wie Ghana for ye ne ye say kroi ye ne ama amanyofo na ya akronfo ye ni ama manyofo na ya akronfo because the demand on them is too much. And this is where we are getting to as a country. Oh my Ghana, oh my way, me ahuni se beye ye na ya che because obia your opportunity a opeso wi an yonko no odidi. Because Asante region ha sanka ye MP so munim se ya hweye na even delegate kura koto abama yen na ya anyere ye ho a Ghana ni a woto aba no betima to aba atia ye no oba obeye development e de amaye but ono empiri nim say ni destiny nyina timamuni a woninam kroma no a wonya delegate ni nsem ni destiny ejina delegate nsem enti se delegate ni kokoto aba at least enipa be 1000 ye fan se baby akomo nipa doso wo kroma aye 1000 it is a delegate 1000 wotimi nyaska no de on pe 10,000 farmer will be at oboka wie na wote a opekora campaign kura wonye bi na waka na no ato kwa wie wo MP automatic nyame adoma memeda on be kwa so dem kwasi ada kwa akoda nyame ase adentra ya yini se wo ya Asante region a member of parliament oba na beti ase nunu na sum chinchen ase chamfo a wo di birthday kuntan ya carry kura wontie why because wo MP and yaye na MP awie yankoye 7th November abato yes but MP why because at least over 99% hope say Asante region wo no mo sori anamo no dem ni yesu development mo misa delegate for ne say abana wo mo to ya wo mo kwaji ska wie no MP no onte ne kanwie onfi mu because after all about the general election now the beba ni said do na nkoto aba enti ena MP so the MP's election is by popular vote enipa wo consensus wo nipa ye 5,000 ebu 1,000 kura kokoto na ye to manu a automatically wa MP ye nyanwe ho saa enipa 3 kura kotoma no a wawene nti yebetuma ka cho se na ade na wo be na obi a fine mind ayi subi abrante a JB Dankwa very nice guy wan kwa MPP nti obi na obeto abade ama no eni ama party adidi etrim party adokore yesa no kromoa eni yanwe ye development ho it's all about party subi enehe me say Kofi Obri I saw a car ya brande ho ayi donated to Subi constituency Toyota sa mini van nibi about 3 of them edi enko ye nya ska wa hen etiefo me question and pay ya me bisa it is my biggest worry I am worried so that pain ye betimi ye obi to challenge ye MP Sawa Asante region say woman fire some kwa ye nya mo ama wo mo and at least they will think about us. They are not thinking about us because obienwa ema omo competition because delegate akwaji scary yet kroma eni nya voter region okude to black kwanom e kan se hwe keta sea defense abuagum empanifo mama ye in their budget enipa be for they will not go to parliament.
Akoma FM 87.9
Oforiata mamna sebedwa me ready budget.
Akoma FM
Aban was compelled. Na na rede kwa Akufo-Addo Aban was compelled. Am what they consider am na pokra ba bonte be kan say Aban na hweye na chenchene atwa wadi hyemu a e de ono so be mobilize Asante region MPs akwakoye demonstration. Ye kwabo these 4 people etimi share Aban they fall the hand of government am Aban to be consider omo constituents e wo ba ayim na no a ayi bugu mu nsuo yiri fa wo mi okuje to abla kwano mu di within about 3 months wo ma sisi adan they built hubs e dey ama wo MPs they care about their people. Even though woman call for an answer crown, but they care, they think about them. Munyi Subi MP NCO. Na bisa me say for 2 term I wako akodi MP. Ewa mnasebedwem. Children's Park ene da hoi. Akronfo ene wo krom ha. Apart from sa Aban no aye ka do yi kwan aye asphalt overlay ewo Subi constituency. Somebody must tell me say the last 8 years there na MPB at least this is initiative I push the aba Subi constituency. Mo for krom. Mo bridge na no but 2 months ago demonstration and I know mo ye. Nobody cares about anybody. Obi aba because until you can't blame the MPs. Waboka ono so wayire ne mawo ono so wayire na maka se scanner wo mutu ai makedu ya abrante say right makedu oferkrom motorbikes are watch change na but o maka say dey no way he's investing in you and every businessman invest here he needs returns sabe wanyaboa nya na busuani no no achiche sika de amawadi onimni awo kwa kwanya nti at least he ne japade abusuan japade kora ayeso obeton no de akwa kopetumi because I den ya obeteneka no oba no wonteneka nwie ya constituency ha onsi ha owura edu sane papa ye MP wo Western region omo free Western region ayi asankagwa wasa manfi area ho kokohwe kwan ya apro to ase wo ho fa kwada so ayi kwada so MP oye han Professor Kislinyako Creative Art School ene da hoyi Creative Art School ene da ho anopai amene wo kasai ebesi ne contractors sorry free project no almost 1 year ni ye ma ho na no astrotef aye ba betan no te ya marketer ayifo 1 million per constituency kosi ye wo kwan so wo baabi and aso si wo Vincent deputy CEO edema ayi middle belt omu nyina. Have we asked ourselves, say, what are you doing for us? Obi ato ne bo ase atena se am ye take them on as constituents to interrogate them, say, are you thinking about us? Creative art school it be ba kwada so a kay one of the biggest monumental project ever anka aban watimi di amaye aka ho. I don't know say nyame admo be ya wiempo and nobody is pushing aban na nya de aba adwuma ne doso. You can't blame Nanado. Your MPs they are not thinking for you, they are thinking about themselves. And you do omachi omuba omuma ye 2,000 near the Jamedi omachi near Bossamamo and man come for pap the zoom a year akwara soon boshek near besha near call. We are done. Nobody is caring and thinking. Joseph Kwam, Albert Kwam, Chumbo Kodia Fuku, and a George Kwabena, obeying Techi. Obey Techi is the incumbent. And you're being touching a besu or my videos way. And you're being touching or cancer, the man for body answer, get me that audio. Obey Techi, or Kofi Asante, can be mammy. Obey Techi, we are Monko offenso. Akwija we are offenso MP no or be patch also Kofi Asante any Akoma FM. Yen kebi man emano na nimpesu aso for bono. Ewo offend say e kwan boni. Okono post. I see. Obi Techi be drama fidie so a Kofi Asante anopa me friend was Kofi Asante me man for e bompa ye say mingu ansa no manya development. Obi Techi on this network Akoma FM heya. What's Kofi ye bompa ye say mingu adentra because mangu a ye nya development. Said ye be on be by election e wo me constituency. And so delegate for nipa akoma ko ebia 700 ebe determine a constituency with population over ebia 50,000, 20,000, 18,000, 30,000 at day Asante region. Delegate. Nobody should blame Nanado. Nobody should blame Obia. Ask our delegate to say, "Etiye day and woman jiska emi ababedu be ye dream." We've been shortchanged for too long in this region. We have been shortchanged for too long. A few individuals go and determine the fate of this region. Say, nya sabe adwen na ya nwen timamufuo no ho na ya de yafu eye so ye delegate enti ye bedidi ye delegate ye bedidi a me patro delegate mo strategies kan di ye no e de pa na akwakọ wie wo wie na frɛ na won fa because wa bɔ ka wo ho enti the ordinary voter na wo ampasua no so a enka ohwehwɛ na MP kura en MP se ba kuro mai he wunya delegate a wo frɛ na won fiu omo ba no mo ne nanam ye so ne nam ye so pop ai askwa sa askwa hanie eno Patricia mam Patri NPP Rosalinda ye twumwa Edmochei a farm boy with beer yina bodwe se fine watin kuta fam abrante ojiri se na bra ba wa bo nyina no watam ni sika e de abema askwa delegate fo a yamba woni yiri ni ma se abrante we say 10 billion na se oba benya MP onte ni 10 billion Kofi Asante me kura mete me pacho you can't blame them. That is what we need to look at it. Kofi Asante say me na mababo ka 10 billion akwaje bosia abepe MP edi and I'm a delegate ma trauma me me ba mete me ka o to mu fra me a me mfa sanete eye wo anka abeye saa delegate can we ye bet ma sorry one day na delegate ka kire wo mu MP say ye mpa musika. We are looking for the person competent enough. Ye to abama na okoro anwe ye ho a ye bepam enye fie konwa enye busua japade yɛnyɛ will ɛmfa ma obi sɛ ɔnteka wɔ constituency hɔ na ɔmfa yɛnyɛ ne saa ɛnto aba ɛpɛ mpuntuo yɛto aba ɛpɛ mmonyam yɛto aba ɔman Ghana nkoa na yɛto aba wie a na yɛadane nkoa. Everywhere in this world people go to vote for development, and after development there's an accountability. In Ghana uba ha dia yɛto aba ma yɛwie a na yɛadane nkoa. Tie